Dan's with us today to do a bit of training. He did some training years ago. He's come to us today, and basically how we operate, or how I operate, is explain, demonstrate, do. So explain everything, make sure he's happy, so I can see one of them. Yeah. And then he goes, yeah. And then I demonstrate, he goes. And then he does it, and then I watch him and he does it himself. To the point where now, having just done 2 wheels with me, he's smashing it already, isn't he?
He is. So what have we got booked in today?
Got a deep clean, which is the first one we're on today. He's going to get a full valet and a valet, so basically he's going to be able to experience all 3 major cleaning services that we offer. And we've talked to him a lot on the route down here, a lot about business stuff, what to do, what not to do, how you start asking, how do I get my first client, how to do this, how to do that. So already, I said to him in the drive here, I wish that me, now, 4 and a bit years on, could speak to me on day one, which now Dan is getting.
It's like the quote, if you think education's expensive, wait until you see the price of... Trying to be motivational.
Very, very. But me personally, I've always got the wet work done out of the way first, packed me wet work away, and then I've gone on the interior. Okay. Just how I like to do things. I know people chop and change all the time. As long as your job gets done and it's more efficient for you, do whatever makes sense for you. Yeah, okay? Yeah. So when people ask me, it depends. Depends on you, depends on the weather. Candle K7, the Rolls Royce pressure washers. Make sure your pressure washer is always off. You're going to start trying to suck in water that does not exist, and then you can potentially start damaging your pressure washer. So this is what I'm doing now, is almost setting up. These are the most underrated car detail accessories you need in your life, okay? There's nothing worse working around the car and you get jacked back and it damages your hose, gets caught in the tyre, slows you down, got to take you back, pisses you off, just for the sake of doing that. So we've got our 3 buckets. Grit guards in all 3 buckets. Wheel, wash, rinse bucket, okay? We only want to put shampoo in 2 of them. 1 for our wheels during the contact wash, and 1 into the wash bucket for a contact wash. So you can either go for your wheel cleaners, or if you're doing a deeper clean, I'm going to go with a fallout remover. So I've got a pump sprayer. I have 1 for my dedicated wheel cleaner or my fallout, and then I'll have 1 which is from citrus pre-wash. We've done one side of the car and how I like to operate with the buckets at certain areas around the car. Now, half a minute each time when doing the contact wash, we don't miss anywhere. And then being efficient, not just doing the roof, going back to the buckets, doing the roof, the windscreen, the rear glass, to be efficient as he's working when cleaning the car. Because Dan is not going to do this as a hobby to work on his own car. Dan is going to be doing this as a potential business to do other people's cars. So he wants to be able to do a good job efficiently without missing stuff. We've done the full chemical decontamination, we've done tire and glue, iron fallout, before that with contact washing car, before that we've done the pre-wash snow foam, and we've done the wheels and the action and all that. And he's happy with all the tools and all the kit equipment that I use and chemicals also around the car. As you can see now, Dan is applying a protective product, which I love, is Instagos, with a tiny hint of elixir, which is having that level of protection on the whole outside of the car. And with the drying aids, towels, your blowers, going to go around and dry the car. So Dan, in a very short space of time, has learned how to contact wash wheels, pre-wash effectively to remove 89% of the dirt, and how important that is, not just doing it, actually explaining, understanding and getting that information back from Dan. Explain, demonstrate, do, and then Dan's going to come back with me. And now, once he's rinsed the car down, making it nice and beady and glossy, getting that satisfying sort of feeling, and then we're going to dry the car. Happy, Dan? Yeah. We've arrived at the second job. You'll see how busy it is. We might not even be able to do the job, but we'll see how we get on. This is real world sort of training, Dan, you know what I mean? Yeah. Good, bad, and the ugly. Hopefully guys can hear me because the generator's playing in the background. This is the second car that Dan has done on his own. Okay, so we've done a deep clean, chemical decontamination, and a deep clean interior. Now we're doing a valet. So, how to be efficient, what to do, what not to do. Now we are out mobile in the centre of Manchester. However, Dan specifically wanted to go out mobile because he has his own van. He's got all his kit equipment here. James, I want to go out and do it in the real world. I want to experience what it's like meeting customers, how to interact with them, what do we say, what do we not do. I mean, this is perfect. It could be great in a unit, but he's out in the real world, he might not know what to do, he might get flustered, he might get overwhelmed, but he won't do because he's already done that with us here today in a busy environment in the centre of Manchester. If you do it here, in this environment, you'll be able to do it anywhere.
James, how do you think today went?
I think it was a great day. I think Dan got a lot of value out today because this is what he wanted. It's the reality of being out mobile, car detailing, valeting, and he told me throughout the day, he's like, oh, I didn't know that. Oh, that's good. I'm like, oh, brilliant. So I was getting quite a lot of feedback from, oh, you got it. I got quite a lot of feedback from him, which was great, and that's what I want. because it allows us to get better. It allows him to make sure, or I make sure, that he's getting the right information and it's all going in. He's got our contact information. We'll always pick up the phone to him, so hopefully we can continue to, you know, help him out. But yeah, I mean, I would have liked to have had him in the unit.
100%.
Right? I would have liked to have slowed it down, been very methodical, step by step, slow. But Dan goes, no, I want to get out on the road as quick as possible, throw him in the deep end. And we're like, are you sure? And he was like, yeah. When's your next mobile day? Fine. Cool. And that's what we've done. So hopefully he's got a lot of value out of it. So I think today went really well, mate. What do you think?
I think it was good. Hopefully he enjoyed it. I mean, 100% he's better in a way better position from where he started the day into where he is at 100%.
Now. I honestly believe from one day with us, he can quite comfortably now, in his own van, wash, valet and deep clean cars. And can charge accordingly for the level that he's at. Do you know what I mean? And I think he'll do very, very well. Plus, he's just had a son. Dan, if you're watching this, congratulations. No doubt you want to do the best you can for your family and your son. I hope we can help that. I hope we all have already helped that. And yeah, I just want to do right by good people, right? Does that even make sense?
100%, no.
You know what I mean? And we try to give a lot of business related stuff rather than just car cleaning related stuff. And the reasons why we do this, the reasons why we do that, upsells as well. We talked to him about certain services we could offer as he's doing one service to upsell.
So if someone's looking to get into training or into detailing, or if they're a current detailer and then they're looking to potentially dabble or maybe get better at machine polishing, learn different products, or they've never detailed before, what do you recommend they do?
Consume content, shorts and YouTube videos, long form content as well. Get out there and do it, right? Your car, somebody else's car. And if you want to then seek training and then develop and learn from there. Thank you for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, all that type of stuff. If you think this video is valuable to you and you're in a similar position, let me know, see if we can help you out. Thanks for watching the video. See you later.